Hello, everybody. Today we're opening up a pack of 1989 Bowman, hoping for a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. Haven't hit one yet. Oh, the gum stuck to the pack, clear off of the thing. All right, we got Rick Roden, Rich Yet, Todd Bensinger. We got a Griffey, just not the Griffey we want. We got a this dude who's stuck to that dude, Brian Harvey. Look at how intense that gum was. Went through to Steve Lake. We got a Ted Williams, Brett Butler, Scott Garletts, Terry Steinbeck, Tom Browning, Matt Noakes, and we end with Tim Burke. All right.